Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Windows 10 computer faster by clearing out temp files on your computer. So let's start off with opening File Explorer. And then click on this PC and then go into your local disk, which is the C drive. Double click on Windows and then scroll down to the temp folder and open the temp folder. So make sure you have admin rights on your computer in order to access the temp folder. So you'll get this prompt here saying you don't currently have permissions to access this folder. Click on continue. And then make sure you enter your admin password for the computer in order to access the temp folder. Okay, so we're in the temp folder right now, so you can select all files in this folder and hit shift delete. So you'll get a prompt saying, are you sure you want to permanently delete these 18 items? Hit yes, and then you will be prompted to re-enter your admin password for the computer again. So I'm gonna click on do this for all current items, hit continue, and you get the admin prompt again, so the USC prompt. So I'm gonna enter my admin password. Okay, it's cleared out the temp files, so I can't delete a few files here because they're currently open. So I'm going to hit skip and also check do this for all current items. Okay, alright, so the temp folder has been cleared, so we'll go back to local disk C. And then we'll double click on users to clear out the temp files in the user folder. So I'm going to double click on the user folder that I'm currently logged onto, and then I'm going to click on view at the top and click hidden item to display hidden folders, and then I'm going to double click on Appdata, double click on local, and then go down to temp and open temp, and the heaps of folders in here. So I'm gonna select all the folders and press shift delete on my keyboard to permanently delete these items. Again, it's saying a few files are still open, so I'm just gonna skip those files. Great, so that's cleared as well. I'm going to go back to the C drive and I'm going to click on this PC, so it's cleared up. So we have cleared out temp files. I will also run disk cleanup. So you can click on the Windows icon here and then start typing disk cleanup and it should appear in the search. As you can see here, I'm gonna click on run as administrator, and USC is gonna need the admin password again, so I'm gonna type in my admin password. Okay, so it's saying select the drive you want to clean up. I'm going to select local disk C, click OK, and now it's just calculating how much space that Windows can clear up, so you don't have to worry about crashing your computer. You can safely take this one. So Windows Update Cleanup, there are 6.3 GB of files in there, so I'm gonna take that one. I'm gonna take Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Scroll down, all these are ticked, and then there are system error dump files. It takes up 2.02 GB of space. I'll remove that as well. Gonna remove mini dump files. So delivery optimization files are already ticked. It's using up 1.01 GB of storage. And what else? Yep, there's also the recycle bin, which is taking up 9.27 GB. So I'm gonna delete that as well. And gonna tick temporary files. Okay. So it's saying if I clear all these files in here, it's gonna free up 18.7 GB of storage on the local disk C. That's the primary storage anyway, so I'm gonna hit OK. This might take a few minutes depending on the speed of your computer. So okay, it's asking for confirmation. I'm gonna click on delete files, and you can see that it's clearing up the items that we checked earlier. So guys, it's been about 10 minutes now. It's still cleaning up the C drive. So expect a long wait when you're doing a disk cleanup. So disk cleanup has finished. You won't get a confirmation. The prompt will just disappear. So it's finally completed. So I'm just gonna see the disk usage. So it's currently at 117 GB free, which is good. That's how you make your computer faster, by clearing out temp files and also doing a disk cleanup on your computer. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.